Jachiw wach elo Raila kinde campaign mare mokalo Profesa Makau Mutua wacho ni pod ok gibedo gi yie gi duoko mar yiero no.
Makau Mutua e twak mare gi Citizen TV no wacho ni kaka jo Azimio la umoja chunygi pod lit ni mar gi chech ne ogwenygi e yiero no kendo ok gibi weyo mayot.
You know, elections are conducted and results are declared. It would be irresponsible on the part of Azimio to accept a result that we think amounts to a usurpation of the voice of the people of Kenya and the vote of the people of Kenya. We believe that this election was stolen, was rigged by UDA, by the IEBC, in cahoots with some international interests that I don't want to name here today. We believe that very strongly, and we have evidence of that, Jeff. If we have evidence of such a thing, what do you want us to do, my brother? Do you just want us to go down and just forget about it? What is our responsibility to the people of this country?